favorite emotions. One from Sky Puti.
My name is Nura Manimutan Azudin dari Sekolah Arisha Kodan. Today we would like to present our innovation project, Learn Heart Function, using VR lens,
Which align with Sustainable Development Goal number 4, which is quality education.
We have chosen target audience of school students.
As we know, the current problem is the learning process is hard to understand and interactive. With this VR lesson, many students able to using this interactive lesson to engage more and provide positive impact to quality education. This is how it functions. First, we need to have coded it and scan the QR code. Make sure you download the HXR apps to use this application, and then you can experience the learning happily. Even though they might face probability of addiction or too into the gadget, parents need to mitigate it by limit the usage time. This is how we code. When scene loads all elements in list anatomy, it will set all element visible is false. When cursor enters object label, selected text visible is true. The selected text will rotate towards player. When cursor leaves object labels, all elements visible is false. Thank you for your attention. Bye.